Dear children, in this video presentation, we are going to learn about the lesson The Magic Garden of Class 3. This lesson is from the NCERT book The Marigold 3. Let us summarize the lesson. The Magic Garden is about a garden situated in a playground of a school. The school children take a very good care of the flowers and the birds in the garden. And the flowers, the birds and the sun are very happy with the children and they love them a lot. We also see that there are fairies in this garden who come and dance and play and talk and sing along with the children. They are all very happy and always keep dreaming of the next day when the children would come back again. Let us take up some fill in the blanks with words from the lesson. The magic garden was in a school playground. Dash and Dash stood high against the wall. Here we know that these are the names of the two flowers that stood high against the wall. They were sunflower and roses. Sunflower and roses stood high against the wall. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. Here, their dresses is referred to the fairies' dresses, the dresses of the fairies. Let us see some points that we can keep in mind while answering a question. There are 4 things that we must keep in mind when we answer a question. To frame your answer, taking help from the question itself. When we try to write our answer statement, we can get a lot of help from the words given in the question itself. Answer in complete sentences. Children, always remember that your answer should not be in 1 word or 2-3 words, just a phrase. It should be in complete sentence. Use correct punctuation marks. Yes, when we write a sentence, it is incomplete unless we put the correct punctuation marks on it, like capitals to begin the sentence, or if we have a proper noun coming in between, we must have the capitals, and we must mark the sentence with a full stop. Verbs will change into past tense. Past tense, something that has already happened. For example, why did the birds love the children? Now in the answer, the word love will change into loved. The birds loved the children because they took care of them. So keep these tips in mind while you answer a question. Let us try those tips with some of the questions given here. Which of the flowers stood high against the wall? We can take the words from this question itself, and the answer is sunflowers and roses. So we will not just write the words sunflowers and roses, we will phrase a complete sentence. The sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall, and we will punctuate them. We'll start with the capital letter and mark it with a full stop in the end. Question 2. What were the flowers and the birds dreaming of? The flowers and the birds were dreaming of the next day when the children would come back again. So here children, again we must remember that our answers must be full in complete sentences and we must use the correct punctuation marks with it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and you learned something, and it will make you do the answering from the lesson in an easy way. Have a wonderful day ahead, children.